viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet tissue box cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet tissue box cover design refers to the specific pattern, stitch techniques and decorative elements used to create a cover for a tissue box using crochet. These covers can be designed to fit a standard rectangular or square tissue boxes and can range from simple, functional designs to elaborate, decorative ones. Here are some tips to help you crochet a tissue box cover. Number 1. Measure your box accurately. Take precise measurements of your tissue box, length, width and height. This will ensure your cover fits snugly. Number 2. Gauge swatch. Crochet a small swatch 4 into 4 inches in the same stitch pattern to check your gauge. Adjust your hook size if needed to match the required dimensions. Number 3. Choose the right yarn. Use a yarn that complements your home decor and is easy to care for. Worsted weight yarn is a good choice for its durability and ease of use. Number 4. Consistent tension. Keep your tension consistent to ensure the fabric of your cover is even. Uneven tension can lead to a misshapen cover. Number 5. Join neatly. When joining yarn or changing colors, ensure the joints are neat and secure to avoid interleaving. Number 6. Stitch markers. Use stitch markers to mark the beginning of your rounds or to count the stitches easily. This helps in maintaining the correct stitch count. Number 7. Corners and edges. When working the sides and top, pay attention to the corners. Placing 3 stitches in each corner help create a neat, rounded edge. Number 8. Customizing the opening. Customize the opening size on the top to fit the tissue. Pull out the style you prefer. A slit or a small oval opening can work well. Number 9. Finishing touches. Add decorative elements like buttons, flowers or appliques to personalize your tissue box cover. Number 10. Blocking. If your cover looks uneven after crocheting, consider blocking it. Then pinning the fabric and shaping it to the crochet dimensions can help achieve a polished look. Number 11. Experiment with stitches. Try different stitch patterns, silk stitch, bubble stitch, to add texture and interest to your cover. Number 12. Seaming techniques. Use invisible shaming techniques for a professional finish. Whip stitch or mattress stitch can be used to join parts seamlessly. Number 13. Use a sturdy yarn. Consider using a cotton or a cotton blend yarn for sturdiness, especially if the tissue box cover will be frequently used. Number 14. Color coordination. Choose colors that match or complement the room where the tissue box will be placed. Variegated yarns can also add a beautiful multicolored effect without needing to change yarns. Number 15. Reinforce the base for added durability, especially if the tissue box will be moved often. Consider crocheting a double layer for a base or lining it with fabric or felt. Gift idea. Personalized tissue box cover make great gifts. Consider making all in a loved one's favorite colors or adding their into details. By incorporating these tips, you can create a stylish, functional, and personalized tissue box cover that showcases your crochet skills and fits properly into your home decor. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel if you find it useful. Happy crocheting!